can you address the phenomenon of curl sponges? And those are the kind of like little sponges that women are using on their short tapered cuts to get a little curl pattern. And I've seen them used. I see a lot of my male clients that are using them, but those same male clients are not wetting their hair, so their hair is really dried out, and then they're using this apparatus or this sponge that just kind of causes a lot of friction and can break the hair. Just use your palm on wet hair. Generally creams for kinkier, curlier textures work better if you have got shorter texture. And you're trying to get definition in your really short little curls, pineapple curls that are tapered. Just simply use a thick cream, kinky curling cream. The Hair Rules Kinky Curling Cream is really great on wet hair, and using your palm as you apply it to the sides of your hair is a little more delicate and gentle than using a sponge on dry hair that you're refusing to wet. Don't not wet your hair. 'Tis the season. It's spring, summer, and it's a warmer climate, so your hair should be healthier. Winter is awful for natural hair and wash and go styling. It can be done, and it can look beautiful, but it's a challenge in terms of convenience. So we're in a really great season in the spring, summer to be able to really fall back in love with your hair texture and get it soft and moisturized and get through wash and go season.